Kavinesh Anthony Thomas, matrix number 66345, and today I would be presenting for my part for the module 2 of project management. So let's start with the project scope, and from what our project, which is the COVID-19 Information Hub, scope would be to deliver a mobile version of the web application if possible, and to deliver a fully functional web application to our client, and also to enforce the privacy of the website's data through the servers. And what would not be considered as a part of this project scope would be physical restraints such as self-diagnosed symptoms of potential patients and a user accessing the internet without a strong internet connection. So for the people and their roles, there are 4 members for this group project team. The first one would be Syed Hussin, who is the project manager. Second would be Kavinesh, who is the system programmer. Third would be Evan, who is the technical consultant. And the last would be Nazrin Haikal, who is the technical support. As for the technology, we are using a few technology items. Some of them would be HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, database as in MySQL, a computer and mobile devices. All of this technology are important to ensure that our web application is properly developed and is compatible for numerous platforms. And as for the facilities, we will be using uh, our project team headquarters for everything that is in the project schedule, the Ministry of Health headquarters to plan the project's user requirement and present the final product to the client, and the server room to set up the server for the web application. And it is important for us to send our members for training to undergo basic training and refresher courses before developing any web application. The reason this is done is to ensure that every member's knowledge and practical applications remains in top form, so that there will be less chance of errors in our final product.
Hi, my name is Valentine Peter, number matrix 65920, and I will presenting for our use case diagram of COVID-19 Information Hub. In this COVID-19 Information Hub, use case diagram have 2 actors, which is customer and admin, and during the admin will get personal information and update about the daily information to the customer. And for the customer will be required to login account, then view profile, look up location hotspot, view COVID-19 symptom, view update cases, get branch info, view precaution, and get personal address information. That's all from me. Thank you. Hi, my name is Valentine Peter, number matrix 65920, and I will presenting for our use case diagram of COVID-19 Information Hub. In this COVID-19 Information Hub, use case diagram have 2 actors, which is customer and admin, and during the admin will get personal information and update about the daily information to the customer. And for the customer will be required to login account, then view profile, look up location hotspot, view COVID-19 symptom, view update cases, get branch info, view precaution, and get personal address information. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Haikal, and my matrix number is 66841. So I will talk about our deliverable structure chart, DSC. So our project is COVID-19 Information Hub. So we're going to have 5 phases, which is initialize and conceptualize, project charter and plan, execute and control, close project, and evaluate project success. So from execute and control, we're gonna have six phases, which is requirement gathering and documentation, design, implementation, coding and testing, delivery or deployment, and maintenance and support. So this is our work breakdown structure with a Gantt chart. So from this project, we make this project under duration 144 days. So we just start with initialize and conceptualize, which is we use only 2 days. In 2 days, we start our business case and some rules. Next, we move to our second phases, which is project charter and plan. So it also we're gonna take 2 days, which is we create a project charter and create a project plan. Next, we gonna go to the phases, which is next phases, which is execute and control. We take about 115 days. So we start with analysis, which is collect information, requirement gathering, and prepare use case. So after we do the analysis, we design. So we design our software architecture and map the stakeholder. Next, we make next phases, which is implementation. We gonna make a prototype and install the system. So next, we do the coding and testing, which is we use duration for 30 days. We start out with our test plan, and we next we do our test result report, which is in 9 days. Then after that, we move to the next phases, which is delivery and deployment, which is 15 days. Next, we do the maintenance and support, which is 20 days. Next, we do our next phases, which is plus project, which is 2 days, which is we make a final documentation in 30 days, and we make formal acceptance in 7 days. Next, we make evaluate project success. We do in 5 days, which is we take 3 days to do our user feedback and 2 days to do our project evaluation.
Alright, so next is for costing of resources. COVID-19 Information Hub project consists of many steps and different phases. And for all of these phases, resources already been distributed according to respective phases. And it shows under resources column after every phase in the WBS or in our Gantt chart. And below is the table for all the resources, which is project manager, system programmer, technical consultant, technical support. This is all type for people or labor resources, and it stated the cost for every labor per hour. And then all the technology perspective or technology resources, it shows all the cost for this project, and also the facility that we use in this project for resources is also stated in this table. Okay, next for the time taken for project completion is this project start at 1st March of 2021, and it will end at 21st July 2021. It will take 144 days to complete all the project, and during this allocated time, each phase which I initialize and conceptualize project charter and plan, execute and control, and all the other phases, all it will take accordingly. And for critical path, actually in this project we only have one critical path, as you can see on the WBS or in our Gantt chart. It is the whole length of the project for 144 days. So you need to follow all the steps accordingly and make sure that every phases are completely according to the time. And for over allocation, there are 18 over allocation, and we think that this over allocation is supposed to be there because the project is quite complicated project, but it takes a very short time, so over allocation is needed for this project. Thank you.